Good morning, students. I myself, Faike Misra, your mathematics teacher, came here with taking a video for class 6, chapter 4, integers. Students, this is the third part of the video series. In the previous videos, I discussed what is integers, additions, subtractions rule, and today I am going to discuss here how will you add two integers on number line and how will you add integers and property related to integers of four additions. So now students, let's start. Students, you have already studied about whole additions of whole number, addition, subtraction and basic operations of mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions of whole numbers. Students, similarly in this chapter I will study addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions of integers. So first start here how we add two integers on number line. Suppose you have to add 5 and -3. Students, you have to add 5 and -3 on number line. Representation on this addition on number line. So first of all, draw a line, number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Students, here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. Friends, you have to add 5 and -3. Suppose students, you take 5. Here written 5 and when you have to add a positive integer, then go left to right, and when you have to add a negative integer, then go right to left. Here first of all write 5, that means integer 5 is here, that means you have to go first in here to this point. After that, student, you have to add -3 here. -3, when you have to add negative integers, then you have to go right to left. So students, here count 3 steps after that 5. So 1, 2, 3. Here 3 steps. So students, it will move to here. So students, when you will add 5 plus -3 is equal to 2. Here final answer is 2. Similarly students, when you have to add -3 and 4, add. First of all, draw a number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Friends, here -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. First of all, go 0 to -3. Here -3, then you go left side. Here -3 and add +4. When you have to add plus integer, positive integer, then go left to right. Here you have to go in this direction. So students, you have to go 4 steps. 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, this will be reached here. That means when you add -3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Clear students? you can easily done this type of questions. Now students, we will study about additions rule for two integers. Suppose you have to add rule first. Suppose you have to add two same type of integer. Same type of integer means two positive integers or two negative integers. When you have to add two positive or two negative integers, when you have to add two positive or two negative integers, then add the numerical value of integers regardless the sign, and do the sum and give the common sign in sum. Students, what do you mean by it? Suppose you have to add two positive integers. Suppose add 5 plus 5 and 3. Students, here 5 is positive integer and 3 is also integer. So students, first add its value. Here 5 plus 3, that means 8, and it has a sign. Its common sign is positive, plus sign. So students, it has a positive sign, and you know positive sign is hidden a integer with integer. So students, suppose you have to add minus 3 and minus 5. Students, here two integers are given and here both having negative sign. That means both having negative sign, then common sign is negative, minus sign. So students, first of all add its value. Its value is 3 and its value regardless sign, its value is 3 and its value is 5. So students, first of all add. Here it will be written minus 3 plus minus 5. First student, add this value 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And students, it has sign, its common sign of integers is equal to minus. So it will be minus 8. Here students, it will be plus 8. Here plus sign is hidden. But minus sign is not hidden, so you have to use minus sign. Suppose you have to add 10, minus 10 and minus 12. Here students, both having negative sign. So students, first of all add. That means here minus 10 plus minus 12. Students, you have to add this. So students, write it. First of all add this value. This value means value is 10 and its value is 12 regardless the signs. So it will be 22 and its sign be here negative, minus sign. I think this is completed. Students, next rule number 2. Here first rule and second rule is rule 2. If add two integers of opposite sign Then find difference between them regardless the sign and put the sign in difference put the sign in difference be sign of larger integers. Students, suppose you have to add 5 and minus 8. Here students, one is positive integer and another is negative integer. So students, when you have to add, first of all find the difference. Students, when you hide its sign, that means it will be 8 and it will be 5. So students, first find the difference. So 8 minus 3 and its sign be it's this positive integer having negative sign, because it is the when you have you hide regardless the sign, this integer's value is more than this. So in difference sign will be negative sign. So friends, when you have to add, here you write 5 plus minus 8 is equal to, here first find the difference. Here two integers having negative integers having opposite signs, so difference between them is 3, and put the sign here. What is the sign? So this integer is greater, so its sign is minus 3. Again, next question, add minus 9 and 6. Here students, add minus 9 and 6. Here write minus 9 plus 6. Students, here two integers having opposite sign, one negative and another is positive. So first of all find the difference. 9 and 6 difference is 3, and sign will be, here its 9 is greater but its sign is negative, so its sign will be negative. Suppose you have to add 15 and 12. Here are students two integers minus 12. Students, how will you add? Oh, 15 plus minus 12. Here two opposite integers, one positive and another is negative. So first find difference. So difference equal to 3. Here difference is equal to 3, and you have to put the sign. Here sign will be, here 15 is greater and its sign is positive, so it is positive integer, and positive sign is not have to write here. Positive sign is already hidden with integers, so its value is equal to 3. I think students, you will complete all this type of problems. Now students, we have to know the properties related to integers. And now let's start properties of integers. First property is closure property. Closure property. when you add two integers, result be always an integer. Sum of any two integers is always an integer. Suppose add 5 plus minus 3. Here result is equal to 2. Here 5 is integer, 3 is an integer, and 2 is also an integer. Suppose you have to add 6 and add 6 plus minus 9. Here students, result equal to minus 3. And here 6 is integer, positive integer, here negative integer, but those are integers, and result is also an integer. So first closure property is clear. Sum of any two integers is always an integer. Now the next property, commutative property. What is, students, commutative property? As you have studied in previous videos, that was in whole number, order of whole numbers be changed, then in addition value be not changed. Similarly students, here if A and B are two integers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Friends, when you change the order of integers in addition, then its value will not change. Suppose here A equal to 5 and B equal to minus 8. Here two integers are given. Then A plus B equal to 5 plus minus 8. Students, its value is equal to minus 3. Now B plus A, that means minus 8 plus 5. Friends, its value be also minus 3. So friends, here you can write 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus 5. Here in both cases be equal. Hence you can say A plus B is equal to B plus A. And friends, this rules, this law, this property is known as commutative property of addition for integers. Friends, in next property, third number property, associative property. Associative property or associative law. Students, according to associative property, if A, B and C are integers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Students, clear? A plus B plus C or A plus B plus C. Suppose here A equal to 3, B equal to minus 2 and C equal to minus 5. Here three integers are given. Then you can check here. First check A plus B plus C. Here friends, A equal to 3 plus B plus minus 2 and plus minus 5. Students, its value be here minus and minus. Minus minus, operations be positive. that means plus, and sign be negative. So here 3 plus, here this is the 3 and plus minus 7, 5 plus 2 minus 7 हो जाए and equal to here 3 and plus minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Now students, find a plus b plus c. Students, when sorry, here a plus b plus c. Students, here a plus b. First find 3 plus minus 2 and plus c minus 5. Friends, here 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 1 and plus minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Friends, here observe a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Friends, clear? Associative property. Electron. Students, next property is 4th number property. If a is any integer, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. Students, suppose a equal to 5, then 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. If a equal to 3 minus 3, then minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. Here, if 0 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Students, here 0 is called additive identity. So this rule is also known as additive identity of integers. Friends, now it's very important and very useful. Friends, 5th number rule: the sum of integer with its opposite is equal to 0. That means it's, suppose here a is any integer and its opposite b minus a. So friends, a plus minus a equal to 0. A plus minus a equal to 0. Here, friends, suppose a equal to 5 minus 5. So friends, suppose a equal to 5, then its opposite equal to minus 5 and 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Friends, here when the sum of two integers is equal to 0, then one another is called additive inverse of another. Here, students, a and minus a, here minus a is opposite of this. So opposite of an integer is called opposite of an integer is called additive inverse of that integer. Opposite additive inverse of integer. Suppose students here -5 is an integer, a equal to -5. Students, its negative is here -5, then its negative is, that means opposite of -5 is equal to 5. Students, 5 is called additive inverse. So additive inverse of -5 is equal to 5. Students, always take care, a additive inverse be the sign of opposite sign of that integer. Suppose we have to write additive inverse of 6 is equal to क्या, is equal to -6. That means only change the sign of integers be additive inverse. And students, you have to ask the question, write the additive inverse of given integers. After complete watching this video, I think you will complete your exercise. So students, you complete your exercise. If any problem, then contact me. That's all. Thank you.